going on, ladies and gentlemen? I know it's been a minute. It's been a long time. A lot of stuff and things been going on with my life. I'll update you guys eventually. But today, we are at Fun Bike Center to pick up your boy Kenny's brand fucking spanking new 2019 H2 Carbon. It's probably the first one in San Diego. It's got to be one of the first in the United States. And we're about to go for a ride. You know, we pointed out, you got to go for a ride. So I'm actually on his R1, and it's probably the first time when I'm going to be on the R1 and be like, I don't know if I can keep up. But we're going to do this. We're about to go have some fun. Let's roll.
Alright, thanks a lot, brother. Appreciate it. This thing
Are you ready?
Neutral.
Are you ready?
Bro,
so this is his first time he's rolling out on a brand new H2, man. I cannot believe it. We've waited so long. I feel like I've waited so long for you to get this bike.
Oh man. This is definitely a moment. Not only is it my first ride, but I want to say this is the first H2 in San Diego.
I'm pretty sure it is. It's got to be.
Oh, that feels comfortable. It's so smooth.
That's what she said. I don't even know. We didn't even come up with a plan.
We did not come up with a plan.
Let's just head towards downtown.
Maybe I'll follow you because I always get lost.
Okay, let's go left.
Ooh, that feels kind of odd.
What?
Just the position. You know,
oh yeah, you gotta get used to it.
You know, I'm riding a different girl.
Let's go left.
Yeah.
I'll let you go first, and then.
Try not to stall. You stall?
I did. I did again. God damn it.
Hey, she takes a second to warm up.
God damn, bro, that looks good.
Dude, I can't believe this happened.
You are on an H2, man.
I just bought a fucking H2. How ridiculous is that?
That is, I'm stunned that you're on an H2.
So, my first impression
is
of
go.
The H2 is that it wants to go. Slow speed, like it can handle it, but right now, like I can feel it in the throttle that this bike just wants to fucking move. Here we go. Let's give it the juice.
Oh my god, bro! I can't. You're like pulling on me.
Shit. Oh my
Jesus,
God.
you were pulling on me.
It still feels like it wants to go.
Oh yeah, you got plenty.
Oh man, this is one of the greatest experiences of my life. Throttle, like there is zero play.
Like it's just go?
Yeah, like if you touch it, it wants to move. Like even right now, just with one hand, like I can feel it. Damn.
That thing looks sick. You know what's funny? I feel like it actually looks smaller than your R1.
You think so?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Give it a little rev. Yeah.
It's gonna sound so good with that Van Diemen. I can't wait for it to get here. You know what's funny? There's a little light that says Eco.
Oh, when you go into Eco mode?
No, it's the Eco on right now. Like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. When you're riding and you're riding in an economical fashion. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to turn that shit off. Holy cow.
Your first ride, man. How was it?
Pretty exhilarating.
You like it?
Pretty amazing. Yeah. Tripping.
Bro, that thing is beautiful, man.
Ridiculous amount of power. Like you can just feel that it wants to move. And driving around the city, it ain't moving.
Let me at least sit on it. I just want to sit on it. I gotta.
Oh.
I'm not gonna even take it up. Oh, dude. Yeah, it feels slightly lower than that.
Mm-hmm.
Just a
Yeah, just a smidge.
yeah. Bro, beautiful, beautiful.
Wow, I am thoroughly impressed with this machine. Kawasaki, you've done an amazing job. I just can't wait to get used to it and figure out all the cool things it can do.
Anyways, we out here at Torque Cafe, about to get a little something in.
Yeah.
We'll be back. We'll go for extend this ride a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Maybe on the Silver Strand, you do a small little pool, you know.
Yeah, just a little.
Maybe
pool?
second gear, not first. Second gear.
Just a little.
Yeah, just a
pool?
little taste.
Okay.
A little taste, just a little nibble, you know. What's to come?
Dude, look at that.
No, left. Come back left.
Nope, I can't.
Oh, god damn it. All right, well, I'll wait on Coronado.
Go to 28th Street. Take 28th Street.
And that's how you lose another rider.
Yo.
There. What were you saying?
What?
What were you saying?
Fuck you.
Oh. Fuck you! No! Fuck you!
Fuck you. Go. Man, it is beautiful.
It is amazing. Dude, we haven't had a nice day like this in... Whoa! Oh, it's a cardboard box. Okay. Scared me. I was like, what is that?
Yeah, we haven't had a nice day like this in forever.
I think we had... Well, last week was alright.
Okay, yeah, there was a couple nice days.
But yeah,
Not like this, though.
today's extra nice, because you got an H2.
The sun is just right.
Exactly. The sun is just right.
Oh, look at that dog.
Ha! That's awesome.
Yeah. Logan.
That's freaking cool. Jesus.
Woo! God.
That's fucking fast.
Yeah,
Did you use a quick shifter? You shifted though, huh?
I shifted that time.
You gotta try it with a quick shifter. I bet you.
I'm afraid the wheel is not going to stay on the ground. I'm scared.
Once you break it in, you gotta try the launch control.
Oh.
So the launch control goes all the way to third gear. From first to third, you can keep it pinned open.
What?
Yeah. I was reading that last night.
Get down to third.
God damn!
Holy fuck! Holy shit! I'm
One.
going 50 right now.
I'm going 50 now. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. God damn! Bro, you got an H2.
Oh, God.
That's crazy. I love the frame.
The green?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than, was it 2017, that dark silver? Yeah, I don't know if I like that, but it's green.
How many miles you got?
35.
It had 0, right? Oh yeah, it had to have 0. You got it straight out the fucking crate.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, when I looked down the first time I had 1, so yeah, I get 0. Oh, because they didn't test ride it. No.
Nope.
That's the first time I've ever had that happen.
No, they don't normally do that. Alright guys, so we are here at Kenny's house. We made it back. Just taking a look at the bike. I mean, really all you can do is stare at a bike like this. When it's in your garage, you just kind of stare at it. Like, it's beautiful. I mean, look at that thing. It's just amazing. It's a piece of art. It's just, oh, and it's so fast. It's fucking fast. Fast as shit. Anyways.
What can you say that's already been
I mean, yeah, if you want the specs on this bike, you can go look it up. I think if you look up the speed, it just says fast as fuck. But yeah, it's in his garage now. And he went for a little ride already, enjoyed it. It seemed very fast. I think you've already got a couple things he's going to be doing. Obviously, what everyone does is get rid of this, put a new one on.
But look at this. It's part Honda.
It's part Honda. Yeah, we were riding, which you probably saw already, but yeah, this started coming off. And then this giant fucking can. That thing is huge. I mean, it's kind of cool. That looks pretty dope. But
It's going though.
yeah, it's just massive, man. It's just a little too big. Oh, look at that. Super charged. Oh, yeah. Anyways, yeah, we out here just chilling, having a couple drinks, relaxing, and admiring the vehicle.
Really, all you can do is just sit and kind of stare at
It's
it.
pretty beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's I really love the ass of this thing. Yeah, I said it. I mean, pretty much every H2 has the same design.
I don't think that's changed.
And but it's pretty cool. It fits your ass nicely. You slide into the bear.
You can adjust it. Like
It's adjustable.
I heard you got to take part of the seat apart to do it, but
I didn't know it was adjustable.
just in case you have a bigger or smaller booty.
And then he has this pro grip.
Yeah, just
He needs something in the meantime, at least to protect the paint. So,
that's first.
Oh, those are hairs. Okay, those are dog hairs.
Modern Image in San Diego can wrap this thing.
But yeah, man. Thank you for letting me come out and enjoy the unboxing event with you.
Always do.
Make sure to go check out his channel, KSIX. I'll put the link down below. He'll have all the unboxing video. Should be up tonight. It should already be up. And then the first ride review, of course, will be on his channel as well. So make sure to go check that out if you're interested in the H2. This has got to be the very first H2 carbon, at least in San Diego, if not California. I don't know.
I know they've taken delivery in Europe already because their order period was different than ours.
Oh, they got them first?
Yeah, I think theirs was open in like August and ours didn't start till October. So
Okay.
I know somebody.
But I doubt they shipped them that early.
No.
But anyways,
I haven't heard of anybody else in North America with one yet.
yeah. So it's a beautiful bike. Anyways, I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm gonna make all new videos. I've been kind of lagging, a lot of other things, but I'll update you guys and give you an update on what's been going on, all the good stuff. But for now, just enjoy looking at this bike. I mean, that's all I can say. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it.